2026 Mercedes-AMG G63 Inferno. The brutal icon just got even wilder. This is the 2026 Mercedes-AMG G63 Inferno by TopCar Design. A legendary G-Class transformed into an aggressive masterpiece of carbon fiber, power, and pure street dominance. In today's video, we're diving into why this Inferno edition is one of the most extreme luxury SUVs on the planet. Backhand index pointing right, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join the luxury-driven family for more elite automotive content like this. Exterior design. The 2026 Inferno is bold, wide, unapologetic. Based on the iconic Mercedes-Benz G-Class, TopCar takes the already aggressive G63 and turns it into a carbon fiber monster. You get a full widebody kit crafted from exposed forged carbon, massive flared arches, a redesigned front bumper with larger air intakes, a vintage hood that looks straight out of a race car. The signature boxy silhouette remains, but everything is sharper, meaner, and more dramatic. New multi-spoke forged wheels, wider stance, lower, more planted presence. From every angle, the Inferno screams exclusivity. You don't just drive this G-Wagon. You intimidate the road. Engine and performance. Under the hood, it's still powered by the legendary 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8. That's 577 horsepower and 627 lb-ft of torque in standard form. 0 to 60 miles per hour in around 4.5 seconds. And with performance tuning options available from TopCar, that number can drop even further. Paired with AMG's 9-speed automatic transmission and 4MATIC all-wheel drive system, this beast launches hard and grips with authority. It's heavy. It's tall. But it moves like something half its size. The exhaust note? Deep, thunderous, unmistakably AMG. This isn't just power. It's controlled aggression. Interior luxury. Step inside, and the Inferno reminds you it's still a Mercedes at heart. Premium Nappa leather. Carbon fiber accents. Contrast stitching. Custom Inferno badging. The cabin blends handcrafted luxury with performance attitude. Dual 12.3-inch digital displays stretch across the dash. Fully customizable ambient lighting. Heated, ventilated, and massaging seats. It feels like a private jet mixed with a military command center. You sit high. You feel powerful. You feel unstoppable. Technology and features. The 2026 G63 Inferno comes loaded with the latest MBUX infotainment system, voice control, augmented reality navigation, premium Burmester surround sound. Advanced safety systems include adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, lane keeping assist, and 360-degree cameras. Despite looking like an armored tank, this SUV is packed with intelligent technology that makes daily driving smooth and effortless. Driving experience. On the road, the Inferno feels dominant. The elevated driving position gives you total visibility. The steering feels tight and confident. The suspension balances comfort with performance surprisingly well. In the city, it commands attention. On the highway, it devours miles. Off-road, it's still a true G-Class with locking differentials and serious capability. This is luxury performance with attitude. Raw. Refined. Relentless. The 2026 Mercedes-AMG G63 Inferno by TopCar Design isn't just an SUV. It's a statement piece. A rolling symbol of power, wealth, and individuality. Brutal design. Legendary AMG performance. Exclusive craftsmanship. If you love luxury machines that break all the rules, this is your kind of ride. Backhand index pointing right, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on that bell so you don't miss the next automotive masterpiece. This is Luxury Driven, where power meets prestige. See you in the next video.